Hi guys, very good morning to all of you. So this is Roshan Nandurkar and you are watching my YouTube channel Java and Python Geek. If you haven't subscribed my YouTube channel, so I request you to please click on the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon, guys. So the next interview question, it may ask you in interview room, what is lambda expression in Java, guys? So this is one of the most significant feature, okay, which provide by Java from 2014, okay, from 2014 and JDK 8, okay. So this is one of the important feature, okay, provided by Java, guys. So this question may ask you in interview room, what is lambda expression in Java, guys? So guys, what is the use of lambda expression? Lambda concept came into Java from JDK 1.8, guys. So that is from the year 2014, from March 2014, okay. Java provides this feature, guys, okay. So then lambda feature is used to write concise code, guys. Concise code, okay. Concise code means like short, like we can write any method, okay, by using shortcut code, guys, okay. So hence what is meant by concise code, so we will discuss in the example, guys. So hence we can say from this feature, from this feature Java becomes oops, okay. So before 2014, okay, Java is known as a object oriented programming, but from Java 2000 from Java 8 JDK 8 we can say Java becomes oops. Java is known as a oops plus functional programming language, guys, because of this lambda expression. So lambda feature we can use only for functional interface, only for functional interface. What is by functional interface, guys? Let's say we write interface, guys, okay. And the interface name we write support test interface, okay, test interface. And in this test interface, suppose we have one method, like suppose we write one method, okay, public void, okay, public void, and uh, we write show method, guys, okay, show method. So now this test interface is a functional interface. Test interface is known as a functional interface, guys. And we can write annotation functional interface, okay. On the top of the interface name we can write functional interface, guys, okay. But suppose we write two method here, okay. Suppose we write two method here, so then functional interface will say, okay, it is not a functional interface. Annotation will say it is not a functional interface because it is going to contain two method, guys, okay. So the interface which contains only one abstract method, okay, only one abstract method. So then that interface, okay, that interface is known as a functional interface, guys. So like suppose suppose we want to use this show method. So before lambda expression, how we used to write this method, guys? So for that we used to implement something like implement test interface, implement test interface. And then for test interface, okay, like we need to write, okay, we need to write show method, guys, okay, okay. So then after, what we have to do here? So we have to do here as out, okay, as out, I am in show, I am in show, I am in show, okay, like this code. Suppose, okay, we write here. So then suppose we want to access this method. So then how we can access this method? We need to create the object of question 142 class, okay, question 142, okay. And then by using this question 142 class object, okay. So like suppose we set q1, and then by using this q1 we can access that show method, guys, okay. Q1 dot show, okay. So in this way we used to write, this, okay, show method or any method, okay, which is present within functional interface, guys, okay. So before 2014, but from 2014 Java provides lambda concept, guys, okay, lambda concepts. You can see the output. But suppose I don't want to implement this, okay. This is the very lengthy process, guys. This is very lengthy process. That what we have to do for this, we have to implement any interface. Then after implementing that interface, we compulsorily need to override the body of, okay, any method, okay, which is present within that interface, guys, okay, that interface. And then after we have to create the object of such a class, and by using that object we can call that method. But suppose we want to use a lambda expression, so uh, how we can write this show method, or how we can write the body of this show method, guys? So we will we will, okay, remove this. Then after removing this, okay, again I will delete this one, guys. Again I will delete this one. So suppose I want to override the body of show method. So how we can write this show method? So guys, for that, okay, first of all we will say, okay, first of all we will say test interface ti, okay, then, okay, then what we will do, guys? So we are using lambda expression. So first of all we will copy, I will copy this. So I will avoid modifier, I will avoid modifier. Okay, then after I will avoid return type. Okay, I will delete the return type. Then I will again delete this method name, guys. Okay, so then after what we have to do, we have to do something like this, guys. Okay, something like this, and then, okay, I can write this, guys. Okay, okay, I can write this. So then like suppose I want to write any code. Okay, this is optional, guys. This is optional when we have to use only one statement, like I am in show, I am in show, I am in show. Okay, so now curly brace open, okay, that is block open, and block close is optional, guys. Okay, when we have to write one statement. Okay, but suppose we want to write multiple statement, suppose we want to write multiple statement, like, okay, so like I am in show, okay, good morning, suppose like this, many more statement, guys. So then after we have to write a block for this lambda concept, guys. Okay, so now this is lambda. We override this show method by using lambda expression, guys. This is a lambda sign, guys. This is known as a lambda sign, and this is the show method, guys. And then how we can access this show method? We can say ti.show, and right click and run file, right click and run file. Okay, right click and run file. You can see, guys, I'm getting this. But suppose we have to write only one statement. Okay, so then still it will work, guys, still it will work. Okay, but we can, okay, we can skip this one, and we can also skip this one, because we have to execute only one statement. We have to execute only one statement. So hence, okay, hence, okay, block open and block closing, okay, is optional, guys. Okay, so this is the lambda method, guys. Okay, so we overwrite this show method, we overwrite this show method, override this show method by using lambda sign, guys. Okay, so now the feature, lambda feature is used to write concise code. Lambda feature is used to write concise code, guys. Okay, so in this way we can write lambda method, guys. Okay, or we can use lambda concept, guys. Okay, so this is the lambda concept. Okay, so thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, so don't forget to click on like and also share it to your friends, and keep learning, keep coding, and I will see you in the next one, guys. Until then, happy coding, guys. Thank you.